Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today I'm going to be sharing something very interesting with you all, which I was making. Today I'm going to be making a scar removal cream. Now this is very effective for any type of scars on the skin. If you have acne scars, which has been there for a very long time, you have any injury scars, any marks due to an injury, this helps to fade all these types of scars away. Now the one that we are making today is, as I always say, are a little more advanced creams that I make here and share with you all. For those who already know how to make skincare, they can take some tips from here and make it. For those who would like to join the workshops and learn these advanced formulations, you all can contact me on the WhatsApp number in the description box. The basic formulation for a scar removal cream will definitely be shared for beginners who would like to give this a try. The only thing is that it takes a little longer than the advanced ones for the scars to fade away. So we'll quickly go ahead and start making this cream. Now here in my water phase, I have my distilled water. I have taken a little xanthan gum. I have taken a blend of active ingredients. Now a ceramide complex, D-biotin, retinol, all these are very good to reduce scars on the skin, plus a blend of silicons help to tighten your skin if you have any type of injury scars which loosens the area of your skin, so it helps to tighten that very well and reduce the scars. So for that sake, in the oil phase, I have my blend of silicons, I have my thickeners, my oil, my waxes, emulsifiers, all that has been taken in my oil phase. So now we are quickly going to go ahead and heat both these phases. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated both the phases, the oil and the water phase, and now I'll go ahead and add my water phase into my oil phase, and we'll give this a very good blend. Okay, so after blending my solution, I just left this for around 15 minutes to completely cool and thicken, and this is the lovely viscosity which we have of the cream here. And now I'll go ahead and add my retinol to this. Again, very important ingredient in my scar removal cream. And I'll go ahead and add my preservative, and we'll go ahead and give this a mix. Okay, and after we've mixed everything together, this is the final look of the product. This is the lovely viscosity that we have of our cream, and it's extremely lightweight on application. So wherever you have your scar, acne scar, any type of injury scar, you have to just apply this, and you see how well it gets absorbed in the skin, and you will see visible results in the reduction of your the scars within the first week of use. So if you like what I share with you all, if you all find my videos interesting, please do share this with your friends as well, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.